We're gonna attempt to install a gutter, guys, for water catchment, so wish us luck.
142. 142. Is it right on the edge, right?
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, it was there.
Yours underneath
Dang.
it?
Yeah.
Just hold yours. Don't let it.
Okay, I'm not moving. Most experts agree that the drop for gutters should be between 1/2 and 1/4 inch for every 10 feet.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Set it right here for a minute. Put it right at the end of the bracket at the very, very end. All right, guys, we got our first rain catchment gutter. So we put this gutter up. Probably should have put some metal underneath the gutter. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but anyway, we're going to test it and see if we tapered it enough. Fingers crossed.
He's gonna do a lot. He's a brat.
Get out of here. I don't want to get all wet. All right, it worked. Good job, honey. All right, let's figure out how to set this tank and how we're going to do it. Like a rock. All right, guys. I'm not sure if these are a good idea or not. My local pool store, that's kind of where I get stuff for water stuff, because it's cheap compared to you go buy it at specialty places and stuff's twice as expensive. So this is a pool filter saver. These are little nets. I have no idea if these will fit. These are large. Size large. Let's see if these will fit in an IBC tote hole. I'm assuming they're stretchy. Oh yeah, it's like a nylon. Look at that, that should work perfect. So we're just gonna lift this, put it out of the way. Look at that, guys. That is fancy. And that's like tight. It's right there. I might modify this. You know, like take the Sawzall and cut a slot for this, and then this would hold the perimeter, but that's pretty tight. And nothing's gonna get in there outside of this, so why try to modify this for outside contaminants when nothing's getting in there anyway? It's just a matter if this is gonna rip this, because this is kind of sharp metal. But I would like to strap this somehow. Something. So this would obviously be 3 seasons, spring, summer, fall. This isn't gonna work in the winter time, but this gives us water that we can use for the garden. And we could probably potentially drink this. We just have to throw it through the Berkey. So yeah, I think there's a 5-pack of these. Let's see how many. So yeah, if you guys have IBC totes, I haven't used it yet, but it's basically just a nylon sock. I think these were like $5 for 5 of them. Don't quote me on the price. I bought a bunch of these 2 or 3 years ago, and then I bought a couple more. I feel like they're like everything, they doubled in price. So these are filter savers. Part number right there. These are the large ones. Part number 58307 100 000. Yeah, we'll see how these work. So we'll see if we can collect some rain with that tonight. Easy peasy. All right, guys, the gutter is on, ready for rain catchment. We made green beans on the grill. Chicken, and we grilled the green beans with some bacon. That was all that was in the pan, right? Or in the foil? Mm-hmm. What do people like to see?
Rain catchment. It's
All right.
raining out.
It's raining. Let's go see how our IBC tote's doing. Go.
I got my fancy raincoat on.
Wait, hold
You
on.
can't open an umbrella in the house. It's bad luck.
Hold on. It is?
Yeah,
Never heard that.
it is. All right, guys.
All right, let's go. Oh, jeez.
It's
Ready?
really raining out,
Ready?
guys. Oh, your umbrella's so gonna blow away.
Oh my goodness, why are we doing this? Hold on. Look at it, guys.
Look at all that beautiful water.
Going into our tote that's already full of pine needles.
Who told you to cut down the pine tree?
Look at that. That's a lot of frickin' rain. Nice. There we go. Good enough.
I made him come out here, guys. I made him go outside, guys. He didn't want to do it, but I said we had to. Just for you guys. He's still coming back in, guys.
Oh my goodness.
How was that experience?
Huh?
But how was that? But he did it just for you guys.
He's drenched. My feet are hurt.
But rainwater catchment's working. We'll see. We'll watch how long it rains tonight and let you guys know how much water we have in the morning.
Hopefully it's more than like 2 inches. Jenny's hoping for more than 2 inches too.
Oh my god.